Here is the Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch to access the reverse light bulbs. Now right over there is the access panel. To get it out, you will need a flathead screwdriver and put it right in that slot there and pry the panel out. Repeat the process with the other slot on the other side, and now the panel should just pop right out. Inside there is the bulb holder. That's the black bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left. You just have to twist it left a little bit to loosen it. See, right now it's in lock position, and now I'm gonna get my hand in there and twist it left, and that is the unlock position. Just a little bit. That's it. Now you should be able to just get the bulb holder out of the light, and there it is. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the new one and simply push it back into the bulb holder to secure it. When you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops right in. See, right now it's not in place, so you can see like outside light coming in from there. I'm gonna do some twisting and turning, and now it's in place. See, it's a seal. Now it's proper. Now it's properly sealed. There's no light coming through. That's good. At this point, just twist it right to lock it, and we are done. That's about it. Let's go ahead and put the panel back in. Now this panel has two clips. That side with the two clips, it goes in first. That's where the side with the slots goes in. Put it back in the way I'm showing, and then simply press it down to secure it, and we are done. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.